This diverter is a really nice solution for capturing water coming down a downpipe. It's especially good if you've got like a rain barrel or maybe an IBC or some other water storage device set up right next to the downpipe, as opposed to if you've got a big centralised rainwater system with a big tank elsewhere on the property. So if you want to get it from a single downpipe, it's a really nice compact solution for you. The way it works is pretty simple. There's just this grommet, or this rubber catchment device, which slips inside the pipe, which you can see here. And what it does is, as water is coming down the downpipe, it just captures a large portion of the water which is sticking to the outside of the pipe, which is typically what happens. And it's got this nice on-off switch. So if you want to have it on, so water flowing to the rain barrel, just keep it open. But likewise, you can turn it off. So if it's winter, or if your rain barrel's full, or if there's another reason you don't want to capture water, you can just turn that off and that'll stop any water flowing through. It comes with 2 different nozzles. So you can use this 1.5-inch nozzle, which is probably the preferred system if you're using a rain barrel. And we've got this matching hose, which comes with a rain barrel connector kit that we've got too. So that's how you typically have it set up. Or if you've got a 12mm garden hose, we also have one of those fittings with screw on there. So you can have it running just straight to a regular garden hose with those little push, or those pull click fittings. The thread size that we've got on here is pretty standard. I think it's a 1-inch thread. So you can actually go to your hardware store. If you've got a different fitting that you really need, you can always use that too. You can see the water flowing through. It's coming through pretty quick at about 750 litres per hour, which is about 200 gallons per hour. So you're really going to capture a large amount of water. And if we switch those fittings over to the 12mm one, you still get a great flow of water coming through there, even though the nozzle's a little bit smaller. And you can see that the water coming through now it's about 180 litres per hour, which is about 50 gallons per hour. So it's a really easy install. All you have to do is drill one hole in the side of your pipe, and we actually supply the hole saw to make that hole, so you don't need to go and get any extra screws or any extra tools. And we've got a nice little installation video which will show you how to do that. There's no real maintenance required because it's just got this little grommet or the catchment device inside. Now, because the catchment device doesn't have any filter on it, it is ideal if you've got lots of leaves to put a rain head upstream, but if you don't have any leaves, it's probably fine. And if you're just capturing a bit of water in your rain barrel, great little compact solution. So that's all there is to the in-pipe diverter. Thanks for watching, and if you need any more, just jump onto the website.